It's that time again, but hold on. I just received the new Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera collection. Now you know I like the new. So let's check it out together. Because this is a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, styler, and then an oil. This collection is all about hydration that allows your hair to look good up to 5 days. Hold on, because that's something to talk about. Kalahari Melon seed oil and aloe vera allows your hair to have deep hydration and long-lasting moisture. And honestly, lately my hair has been asking for moisture. So it's like, it's time to try this on out. Long-lasting moisture and hydration, yeah, I'm down. It is time to have a feeling of ease when it comes to your wash day and with maintaining your hair throughout the week. Let me know down below, do you typically make it to day 5 when it comes to your hair? Or do you have to style it, put product back in it, or for some people, wash it? Let me know. Their website has even more information about this collection, so if you want to learn more, check out mielleorganics.com. All right, let's get into it, because yeah, it's time to wash this hair of mine. I'm going to start off with Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera Deep Hydration Shampoo to gently clarify my hair and moisturize my hair without stripping it. And that's exactly what this product does. Now I did that about 2 times, really try to get into there, and I rinsed it out and I said, okay, let's go on to the next step, the deep conditioner. Now this is the Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera Deep Hydration 2-minute Deep Conditioner. And when I say I found a new fave, that's what I'm telling you right now. The slip, the way it just went on my hair, it just felt so good afterwards, but also too just being able to detangle my hair with no problem. We love that. Now, next up is the Deep Hydration Multitasking Leave-In Conditioner. Can I call it my second fave? Hold on. This went in my hair so nice. It just went right in with allowing me to detangle. It refreshed the curls. I feel like it just added instant hydration and just locked in so much moisture on my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use their Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera Deep Hydration Curl Forming Glaze all throughout my hair to prep myself for this twist out. Very nice. It allowed a great hold because look, our goal is to go what, 5 days at least without having to reapply product, and we're gonna see how it goes and flows. Now for my twist out, I did add these yellow rods on the end just because it will allow me to have a uniform curl for my hair in particular. If you need to do the same thing, try it out. Oh yes, the next morning, we're going to be using the Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera Deep Hydration Weightless Oil. Now, this is the type of thing I'm looking for. When I'm taking down my twist, this one tried to play me. That was rude. Okay. When I'm taking down my twist, I like to use something that's going to add nice shine without weighing my hair down. And this product hooked your girl up, okay? My hair was grateful. Doing my hair over the weekend honestly sets my week up perfectly because I'm able to just focus on my work and not like, okay, how's my hair doing? All these other things like, oh, I have something to do this weekend. I need to get this out the way. No, I'm able to relax throughout the week, focus on all the other responsibilities I have because we have somebody really let us be adults. That's the conversation. But I'm able to do that when my hair is done. One less thing to think about, and it just really allows me to have an easy going week. And I don't have an excuse to give to friends like, oh, I can't go out because my hair is not done. Nope, no excuses there, because I know I'm not the only one. If my hair is not done, there's no reason to leave my house, okay? Pick somebody else. The hair is looking good. I know y'all see it. Definition, the shape, the bounce. Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Welcome to day 2. That's all right. We're gonna get this hair moving and grooving. So I like to just shake it out, fluff it out with my hands, and then eventually I would also use my Afro pick to further assist with that. And the hair is looking good. I honestly just like to go to bed with a bonnet on and call it a day. Now, obviously I slept good this one side. Look at it, but that's okay. Now, this stage of life, I am a put my bonnet on and go to bed, okay? And it ends up working out, but sometimes that is not always the case. So I was so happy to see how my hair is responding to the Mielle Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera collection, because it answers the question that some of us typically have when we're trying something new, like, how will my hair respond? Will it last throughout the week? So I'm happy to report that my hair is loving it. Now this night, I just wanted to show you a different way that I would maintain my hair at night. And this is by doing the banding method. So yeah, I like to band it because that allows me to keep that length and allow it to stretch without using any extra heat, because I stretched it before. And the next day I'm able to just take that down, fluff it out, and I'm good. Another way to keep your hair stretched at night is by retwisting it. I didn't do it this go around, but it's definitely one of my favorite ways to maintain my hair throughout the week. Y'all haven't seen me pull out any products, right? Any hair products, because I didn't need to. My hair is still looking and feeling good. Good enough for me to go out with my friends. It was dinner time with friends. And so I said, let me dress up, get that hair nice and fluffed. Look at us. We made it to day 5. My hair is still looking good, still thriving. I could go a few more days. As you can see in the back, I slept on that, but that's okay. That's okay. My hair is really looking good. And this is a moment too where you see things like that, just retwist it, add a perm rod, and you'll be good. To end this out, I said, let's mix up where I have my part. And I just wanted to make it look even more full, have some fun with my hair. Hold on, I'm actually loving this style a lot. So I ended up wearing it a few more days after retwisting my hair. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you are checking out Mielle Organics' new Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera collection. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.